Good morning.
Good morning.
Today we are doing Antelope Canyon. We are doing the Lower Canyon tour with a company called Ken's Tours. I'll leave a link in the description. This is not an advert, I'm just saying.
Yeah.
We're very excited. It looks amazing down there. It doesn't look like it's going to rain, so there's no chance of flooding, so it won't be cooled off. So we're very excited.
Although I'm a little bit worried about that cloud over there.
That cloud,
That cloud does look.
could produce a mini
produce.
flood. So we just came from Antelope Canyon's lower tour. It was amazing. I would highly recommend Ken's Tours if you're ever going to come here. It was really beautiful. It was super interesting as well. Apparently the canyon is actually older than the dinosaurs, and we saw some dinosaur footprints, which was also really cool. And now we're walking down to the horseshoe bend. So you probably can't see anything on this camera, but we're sat outside our little cabin. This could be ASMR right now. We're sat outside our cabin and we're doing night photography of the monument. So I'll insert some of those pictures now if they're successful. Yay!